using data lists within a model. We're going to learn about what prerequisites we need to use a data list within a model, understand how to use a list in your model, how to insert the list. We're then going to learn about the input variables which are used in this test data activity. And then finally, we're going to look at the output variables this gives us. So first of all, what do we need to use a data list within Test Modeler? You need a data list, a model that you want to use this list in. It may be worth actually visiting this page here if you don't know whether you have a suitable list or you don't know what a data list is. This is our knowledge base. How would we use a list in our models? What this allows us to do is in with a test data list to assign these to variables which we can use within our model. First, click on the Test Data Actions tab. Select the Data List action. Drag that into our model. This box will come up. Look at these in columns. Choose which ones we want to map to variables by clicking this plus button. One of the most useful things is we can then filter the rows of data that is selected. Also, we can choose what columns to return from the data list into our model. We may want to return all of the data within the list. Click the Map All button. Or it might be first name and last name from our data. Click the plus button here and here to return these. This data can then be used throughout our model. Let's put into action what we just learned in the slides. Click the test data action section, drag our action onto here. Choose the list that I want. I actually want to use some fake hotel customer data, like so. The map variables row filter can use the in columns to determine what kind of data is returned to maximum number of rows. I want to put that to 5. So each use case is only going to bring through 5 rows of data. If I click the in column here, membership is how I want to determine what kind of data I'm going to come out. Click the plus button there. For the out column, turn all the columns. Click the map all button. And I'm just going to bring some tasks here so that I can change that membership in variable. And this is going to effectively act as my filter clause to change the data that comes out. The first kind that I want to bring out is bronze. So I'm going to put in the data variable to bronze. Click save. Gold. Save. Then platinum. Now, as we can tell, there will be different membership types to bronze, gold, and platinum. These are just the values that I want to bring through in this example. Look good. So we click the layout. Let's put tree. First, we then need to validate it and then run test cases. If we click this run button and click preview test data, we can actually see the data that's coming out. So Jacobs, customer ID, we can see membership that it's bringing through. That is how to use a data list within your models.